Big changes are coming to your income tax from April 1st, 2026. From a brand new tax law to changes in deadlines, TCS, STT, and even PAN rules, here's everything you need to know in simple terms. New Income Tax Act 2025. First and biggest change. The old Income Tax Act 1961 is being replaced by the new Income Tax Act 2025. This means simpler language, fewer complications, and a more modern tax system. Tax year introduced now instead of financial year and assessment year. There will be a single concept called tax year. This makes tax calculation easier and less confusing. ITR filing deadlines July 31st for individuals, August 31st for non-audit businesses, October 31st for audited entities, November 30th for special cases. Revised return timeline extended. You now get more time to correct mistakes as revised return window increased from 9 months to 12 months. STT increased 0.15% on options, 0.05% on futures. This means trading in F&O becomes slightly costlier. TCS on LRS reduced. For people sending money abroad, TCS drops from 5% to 2% for education and medical expenses above Rs 10 lakh. TCS on overseas tour packages, a uniform 2% TCS will now apply, replacing earlier higher rates of 5% and 20%. Share buybacks taxed differently. Now, buyback income will be taxed as capital gains instead of dividends, changing how investors are taxed. Sovereign gold bonds. Tax exemption on redemption will apply only if bonds were bought at original issue and held till maturity. Home to office travel benefit. Employer provided commuting benefits will not be treated as taxable income anymore. Good news for salaried employees. PAN based TDS for property. Buying property gets simpler. You can deduct TDS using PAN, no need for TAN. Armed Forces Pension. Tax exemption now applies only to disability based pensions, not all pensions. Education and hostel allowance. Proposed increases. Rupees 3,000 per month per child for education, Rupees 9,000 per month per child for hostel. PAN rules tightened. PAN requirement expanded across multiple areas. Cash transactions threshold Rupees 10 lakh. Property deals Rupees 20 lakh. Hotel or event payments Rupees 1 lakh. Insurance applies to all policies. Vehicle purchase PAN needed above Rupees 5 lakh. So from 1st April 2026, taxes become simpler but compliance becomes stricter. For transparency, more reporting and some relief too. Make sure you understand these changes before filing your next return.